Naalala nyo ba yung ating previous video about the corner lots available here in Solena Residences? Right now, we are here again at Solena Residences to feature naman yung ating mga minimum cut na 150 to around 190 square meter. So this time around, it's an inner lot naman na available secondary market and it's still affordable. And this video guys is for those of you guys na naghahanap ng hindi ganong kalalaking lote but still pwede mo pa rin ipatayo yung inyong dream house. Yung preferred mo na number ng bedrooms located sa isang exclusive na village, exit away, and malapit lang sa mga establishments na kailangan mo halos araw-araw. And alam ko na excited na kayo na makita yung mga affordable inner lots natin dito sa Solena Residences right now. No, but let me give you a quick tour lang kung gaano nga ba ito kalapit sa mga developments in the area. Tara! Hi guys! So for today's video, nakita nyo naman dito tayo ngayon sa Calak, no guys? Cavite Laguna Expressway. So ito yung pinakamalapit na exit kapag galing kayong Mamplasan or Brent specifically. Ito yung pinakamalapit. Ang bagsak nyo na dito sa unang exit, Laguna Boulevard, Nuvali Boulevard exit is Nuvali area. Or pwede rin naman sa tapat ng Paseo. Pero this time around, pupunta tayo ng Nuvali area para mapakita ko sa inyo yung mga development within Solena Residences. And yes, tama guys, yung narinig nyo, we are going to Solena Residences again for the second time dahil last time na video natin is we have a corner lot available in Solena Residences. But right now, what I'm going to share with you guys is our inner lots. Ito yung mga available natin na lote na mas maliliit ng konti, no, compare dun sa mga corner lot. Meaning, mas affordable po ito. Kaya kung kayo ay naghahanap mas maliliit na cut ng lote, no, hindi corner lot, at least nasa loob ng isang exclusive na subdivision, sa isang master plan community, and nasa Santa Rosa, Laguna pa rin at exit away. Pwede nyo po itong makonsider. This time, nag-exit na tayo. Kung makikita nyo, nasa ilalim na tayo nitong Calax. Magnunu Valley po tayo, no? Doon tayo dadaan para mapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalapit ito from other developments just like Nuvali development of Ayala. The good thing here in the area that I want to share with you guys, kung mapapansin niyo yung top view nitong location, ilang master plan development ang nakapalibot dito, specifically sa taas lang dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Dito lang actually sa kaliwat kanan lang ng Calax, wag na tayong lumayo. No, kung makikita nyo, napakaraming master plan development dito at magkakatabi sila, no? Kumbaga yung amenities ng isang master plan development dito sa kabila, pwede mo rin ma-enjoy. So just like in Greenfield, the Paseo, pwede rin ma-enjoy ng mga community from South Forbes, Gulf City, or sa may Santa Elena City. Ikaw din naman, from Greenfield, pwede ka mag-enjoy sa Vista Mall, sa Nuvali, sa South Forbes. And then yung sa South Forbes naman, pwede sila mag-enjoy kahit sa Nuvali or sa Greenfield, kahit sa amenity nila magustuhan. Dahil lahat ng master plan development na ito ay magkakatabi lang po. No? So Solena Residences is located inside the master plan development of Greenfield, which is Greenfield City, here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Nuvali Development. As you can see, the big signage dito sa right side ko, and then that's Nuvali Boulevard na yan pagka diniretso po natin yan, no? So and dito sa kaliwa ko yung koi fish feeding area, ayan yung big signage, and yung daan sa harap ko, that is Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. So meaning kapag diniretso natin yan, yung dumadaan sa sakyan na nakikita ninyo, that's going to Tagaytay. Actually SM Yulo and then Tagaytay area na. Ayan. Speaking of SM Yulo, they are expanding here another SM development mall, premier mall po ito, no? Hindi siya kagaya nung sa SM Santa Rosa. Iba yung kinikater nito, mas upscale, di ba? Just like the malls here in the area. And also, Nuvali Development, Solinad 4, ongoing construction. So literally, sabay sila nagbi-build. And alam naman natin yung reason. Bakit, no? Even these developers, nakikita nila yung demand dito sa area and then sinusuplayan lang nila ito. Which is a good thing sa atin as an investor or as a retiree dahil ito yung mga nakapalibot sa ating development. At napakarami pang future development, no guys? Unti-unti talagang nabibuilt up pa rin, no? Which is alam naman natin tong area na to is may pangalan na kumbaga, no? And sabi nga ng iba, late na daw sila mag-invest, but ako, I don't see na late ka. Kasi kung makikita mo, ang dami pang open spaces at saka nag-expand pa lang din sila. So, pwede ka pang sumabay talaga. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Solinad 1. Nadaanan natin sa right side ko. Diyan yung Starbucks ng New Valley. Diyan sa may Solinad. And then, etong development na yan sa kanan sa Santa Elena City. Master Plan Development also. Ang dami pang open space dyan sa loob niyan for sure na madedevelop din. And then, sa left side ko naman, that's Vista Mall. Ayan. So, kung gusto mo ng medyo kakunti yung tao na mall, pwede ka dito sa Vista Mall. Diyan kami naglalagay pagka Pasko. Ayan. Kasi, wala masyadong tao. Maganda manood ng sine. Ayan. Speaking of developments in the area, unti-unti, nade-develop na rin itong mga nasa left side ko, kahalera ng Vista Mall, ha? Dahil, meron na ding BYD na showroom dito, no? And, Mazda, marami pa iba actually nandun sa banda sa tapat ng Paseo Outlet Mall. Pero ngayon, lumiko lang tayo. Ito yung pinakadulong development ng Greenfield City. Dito nyo matatagpuan yung Zadia. So, paliwanag ko lang ng konti yung Greenfield City, no, guys. Sa Greenfield City, they have a 3 residential land and houses, no. Ayan po ay yung Trava, which is the deluxe development of Greenfield, Solen, and then Pramana. Their first condominium development here in Santa Rosa, Laguna is Zadia. Kung saan ay nasa harap natin ngayon. Ayan. That's Zadia Tower 1 and Zadia Tower. Speaking of Zadia also, meron tayong upload na about sa condo renovation dito sa Zadia Tower 1 which you might be interested, no? Dahil we are focusing all real estate services dito sa area. Yung client namin na yon, kung makikita nyo dyan, ipapaskill ko sa ating screen. Sa amin din siya bumili ng condo, secondary market sa Zadia Tower 1. Kami na rin yung nag-transfer and kami na rin po, yes po, kami na rin po ang gumawa ng condominium ni ma'am. So kami na yung nag-renovate. Right now, nakatira na po siya dyan. And then, back to tayo sa development sa area. Yung nakita nyo parang bare pa lang na building, that's Vivere Hotel. Ayan. And then, kasunod nun is Paseo Premier Hotel. And then, the Medical City. Dito na lang sa area, if this is for a retirement, napakalapit lang nito sa mga hospital. Dahil, andito lang sa, if nagpapunta tayo ng SM Yulo, madadaan natin doon yung Healthway Qualimed sa New Valley area. And then, dito na lang sa loob ng Greenfield City, meron tayong Fort Med, and then, the Medical City South Luzon. Nandito rin po yan. So, malapit lang yan lahat, guys. And, konting kwentuhan lang. Etong dinadaanan natin, it's a future development pa. Nakikita nyo, dami pang mga bakante. And, ayan, Trava na po. Which is, as I mentioned earlier, Trava is the premium development of Greenfield. So, dito, mas malalaki lang yung cut, guys. And also, may upload ako dyan na mga available inventory lots dito sa Trava. So still, affordable pa rin po ang price per square meter natin sa Trava. Mas mura pa rin comparing to other developments that offering the same lot size, the same yung vibe, yan greenery, and also 100% underground din po, no? Kumbaga same lang sa in-offer ng iba dito sa area. And then, ang price per square meter, meron pa tayo dyan ng mga 47. Ayan, 47, 50,000 per square meter. Comparing naman kung sa ibang development, guys, aabot na yung mga ganyang offering ng around 60 to 70,000 per square meter pre-selling. And speaking of that, Trava is ready for occupancy na. So, medyo mas mas magandang deal if naghahanap kayo ng ganong uri ng property. So, right now, mag-left turn lang tayo. Hindi na natin madadaanan yung Pramana. So, ito yung papuntang Solen Residences. Diretso lang tayo. And itong mga to, future development pa po ito. And nandiyan na yung Solen, actually, nasa left side na natin. Kaya lang may entrance pa siya dito. Dito tayo dadaan. Kaya maganda dito sa Solen isa pa sa napansin ko, hindi siya nakadikit sa road. So, malayo sa road yung kanyang development dito. Secured talaga yung village. No, ayan, papasok na po tayo ng Solen Residences. And pagdating natin sa main gate, continue natin yung video. Pagbaba natin ng clubhouse or pakita ko na sa inyo yung mga lots na available natin. Alam kong excited na kayo na makita. Okay? Okay, continue natin yung video pagpasok natin sa loob. Before natin puntahan yung mga available lots dito sa Solen Residences Secondary Market, I'm going to show you the updated price in the areas, especially the Phase 1C Solen Residences. That's the pre-selling po na located dito sa Phase 1. So, papakita ko sa inyo, we have a 2 lots na sample. It's also a inner lot para at least you have an idea, di ba? Kasi inner lots din yung ipapakita natin dito. At least you can have an idea. So, I have this first lot. This is the sample computation already. So, this one is Block 4. Lot 6, again, it's located in Phase 1C. It's pre-selling and inner lot also. So this one has a lot area of 150 square meter, the minimum cut available here. And the total price for this lot is 7,688,483 and 76 centavos. So yun po yung property value right now dito sa Solen Residences. And the good thing here, no, bukod sa pre-selling siya, if hindi kayo nagmamadali, gusto mo yung mga investment lang, no, na kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, pag uwi mo, alam mo na may inaasahan ka na may lote na pwede mong patayuan, pwede mo ito makonsider dahil ang payment terms lang nito is napaka stretchable. So, ang payment terms nito, since I mentioned na stretchable, is 10% the down payment, payable in 18 months, and then the remaining 90% is payable through bank financing or you can pay it in cash. Pwede mong bayaran pag nakaschedule ka naman ng uwi na dito sa bansa, pwede mong bayaran naman ng cash kung gusto mo para hindi na naging interest sa bank. The good thing I want to highlight here in Phase 1C is 10% na nga lang yung down payment, hindi ganun kalaki, stretchable pa. No, it is stretchable up to 18 months and the monthly is around 38,177.96 pesos only. So that's your monthly down payment, no, monthly equity. So that's for 18 months. And the reservation fee for this lot is 50,000 pesos. So that's the first lot na sample ko sa inyo dito sa Phase 1C. Again, it's pre-selling, ongoing pa lang in land development. If you are looking for pre-selling, tapos is still located dito sa Solen Residences, Santa Rosa, Laguna, exit away, pwede nyo po siya na-consider. So I highly recommend this. Kagaya ng mga client natin na nag-i-invest doon is mga abroad talaga or mga napauwi dito, they want to invest their money in some real estate, some property, no? So dito, pwede nyo pong makonsider itong property na ito. So I prepared another lot, no, sa Phase 1C pa rin. So this one is Block 2 Lot 8, Phase 1C. It has a lot area of 150 square meter pa rin naman, no. So ito naman may price difference lang ng konti. So papakita ko sa inyo sa map kung saan yung location niya. So again, it's 10% down payment, stretchable up to 18 months, and then the 90% is payable through bank financing or you can pay it in cash. So ang value nitong property na to, the total selling price for this one is 7,919,659.19 centavos. So around 7 million pa rin naman siya lumalabas. No, actually, medyo mas mataas lang ng price to compared dun sa isa. And then the 10% down payment is stretchable up to 18 months. So your monthly equity is only 39,415.85 centavos monthly. That's for 18 months. And the reservation again, it's 50,000 pesos. Kung mapapansin nyo dun sa 2 lots na ating minention dito sa Phase 1C na available is ang value na ng property niya or the total selling price right now is around 7.6 to 7.9 million. So mag-base na lang tayo sa 7.6. The price per square meter pumapatak na ng around 50 to 52,000 pesos per square meter. Again guys, that's an inner lot, hindi pa prime lot na corner, di ba? Hindi pa regular lot pa lang, regular cut. And also, it's pre-selling. Yun na po yung price natin dito sa area, which is also competitive din naman kasi actually in other developments, in the area na lang, ano, kahit sa labas ng Greenfield, they are selling it with the same price range. Actually around 60 to 70 per square meter. Pero depende sa cut. So yung mga ganitong uri, ang price per square meter na niya is around 50 to 55,000 pesos per square meter. So again, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, ang price per square meter na niya is 52,000 pesos only per square meter. But in this video guys, I will show you the 3 lots na available natin dito na inner lot with a minimum cut of 155 square meter. The available price that we have right now per square meter in secondary market is we have 32,000 pesos only per square meter. And also, it's very affordable. That's why I'm excited to share it with you guys. And I know na excited na kayo. So, puntahan na natin sila isa-isa. And we are here on our first lot. Again guys, these lots are the secondary market we have available here right now in Solen Residences. So it's below market price, kaya naman ang presyo niya is mas mababa talaga comparing to the other properties available in the market. So again, we have here in the first lot and it's located in Phase 2. We have this inner lot and it's facing the afternoon sun. So kung naghahanap kayo ng ganitong uri ng lote, no? 191 square meter. And ito yung start ng ano niya, ng lote. From here, sa poste, ayan, up to here, sa plate. Actually, dito, sa plate. Saan yung plate? Ayan, hanggang dito po ang inyong lote. Ayan, so ayan, ito yung buong 191 square meter. Dun sa maliit na puno ng saging, up to here, ayan, pa perfect square po ang inyong lote. It's 191 square meter facing afternoon sun, which we are facing right now. This one is only selling for around 32,000 pesos per square meter. So makita nyo, sobrang baba. No, first lot pa lang natin, comparing to other property, dyan na lang tayo sa phase 1 Sisulen, around 50 to 55,000 na per square meter. But this one, this is available for only 32,000 pesos per square meter. So mga around 6.2 million, pwede mo nang start yung inyong dream house dito. Again, this property is inner lot facing afternoon sun, clean title also, ready to transfer na po ito. Pwede nyo rin i-loan sa bank or pwede rin bayaran ng cash, no? Depende po sa inyo. And ideal dito is yung ating mga Model A na nakita nyong background kanina sa likod ko. So yun po yung pwede nyong ipatayo dito. So we can proceed on our second lot. So tara! And we are on our second lot na available secondary market here in Solen Residences. It's still located in phase 2 and ito po yung actual lot sa likod ko. This one has a lot area of 193 square meter. Mas malaki lang ng 2 square meter dun sa unang lot natin na finiture. And this one is available for around 33,000 pesos per square meter. So around 6.3 M, pwede ka na mag-start ng property mo dito. Pwede ka na mag-build. So as you can see, may katabi na siyang existing na 2 house and open pa yun sa kanyang likod. But ito po yung actual lot, no? So around 6.3 M nga po, pwede ka nang makapag-start ng inyong dream house dito. It's still facing the afternoon sun and ito yung ating pangalawang lote. So binilisan lang din natin, no, para at least wala tayong mapakitang mga plate number dito, no? And may nakatira na kasi both side ng property. And this one is 193 square meter, 33,000 pesos per square meter only. So this is the second lot. Let's go on our third lot and tara. And we are here on our third lot for today's video. It's located in phase 1 here in Solen Residences. And ito sa likod ko, guys, ito yung actual lot. So may katabi na siyang bahay sa left side and then sa right side po wala pa. So again, this is a inner lot and available secondary market. So it has a lot area of 157 square meter and this one is facing south, no? And malapit lang siya sa playground. No, ganyan, malapit lang siya, literal na katabi niya lang actually yung ating playground. It's almost a half hectare playground, one of the amenities here in phase 1 Solen Residences. And it has a lot area of 157 square meter. We are selling this property for 35,000 pesos per square meter. So around 5.5 million, pwede ka nang mag-start ng dream house mo dito. And ang daming ginagawang bahay pa pala dito sa paligid. No? Actually, ginagawa yun sa harap. Which is a good thing dahil meron ka ng mga kapitbahay, no? And ito yung nag-iisang lote natin na inner lot dito sa phase 1. The rest, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, is phase 2 na po, no? Pero lahat naman sila is still located here in the existing phases of Solen Residences. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope na enjoy nyo yung ating pinakitang mga lots na available dito sa Solen Residences. And also, if you are someone na naghahanap ng inner lots, no, ayaw nyo ng corner lots na pinakita natin previously, so this video, I'm sure you have a preferred lot. No? Let us know, no, kung meron kayong preferred lot. Also, if you have questions about the property available right now na pinakita natin dito sa video, or if you have questions about the developments in the area, feel free to ask me on my number. That is 639-6960-20739 and it has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan working abroad. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one.